Exercise 12.1, the first sum. There is a signal board, okay, school ahead. It is in the form of a triangle. Now the side AB is equal to A units, BC is equal to A units, and CA also is A units. The perimeter of the triangle is 180 centimeter. Now we have to find out the area of a signal board, okay, that is in terms of the given sides A, in terms of the given perimeter 180 centimeter, okay. Now by using Heron's formula, the area of triangle ABC is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. It is called semi-perimeter. Okay. Now first, in terms of the given unit A, let us say since AB is equal to BC is equal to CA is equal to A, therefore S is equal to A plus A, because B also is A and C also is A. So 3A by 2, this is S. Now A is equal to A and B is equal to A and C is equal to A. So substituting in equation number 1, we will be getting, instead of S, let us replace 3A by 2, and here it is 3A by 2 minus A, 3A by 2 minus A, and 3A by 2 minus A. Okay. So this is by taking LCM. So this is by 1. So therefore this is 3A minus 2A divided by 2, 3A minus 2A divided by 2, and here also 3A minus 2A divided by 2 by taking LCM. Now 3A minus 2A is 1A. So that is A by 2, and for this A by 2, and here we will be getting A by 2. Okay. Now by multiplying, 3 will remain as it is. A by 2, A by 2, A by 2, A by 2, which means A by 2 power 4. Since it is in square root, so we can split into A power 4. A by 2 power 4 can be split as A by 2 whole square into A by 2 whole square. Now for this square பதிலா 1 A by 2 வந்து வெளியில் எடுத்துடலாம். அதே மாதிரி இந்த A by 2 the whole square பதிலா ஒரு A by 2 square root வெளியில் எடுத்துடலாம். This 3 will remain inside the square root itself. So this is A square by 4 root 3. So area of triangle in terms of side A is equal to square root of 3 by 4 A square units. Okay. Now let us find out the area in terms of the perimeter. So perimeter is equal to 180 centimeter, that is addition of all the three sides. So A plus A which is equal to 3A is equal to 180 centimeter. Therefore A is equal to 180 centimeter divided by 3. So 3 with 60 times. So the side A is equal to 60 centimeter. Therefore the area of triangle, let us substitute this A value over here. So this is root 3 by 4 into 60 square, that is 60 into 60, 1 4s are 4, and this is 15 times. So 15 into 60 will be 900 root 3 centimeter square. So these are the two answers. Question number 2. It is given that this is the given triangle, and let us consider A is equal to 122 meters, B is equal to 22 meters, and C is equal to 120 meters. Now we have to find, so this is the advertisement area. So rent for 3 months, if this area of the rent per year is rupees 5,000. Okay, right. Now since it is a triangle, by using Heron's formula, we know that is area is equal to area of triangle is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Make it as equation number 1, where S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So A is 122 and B is 22 and C is 120 divided by 2. So when we add these three, we will be getting 264 divided by 2. By cancellation, we will be getting S is equal to 132 meters. Now substitute the values in equation number 1. So S is equal to 132 and A is equal to 122 and B is equal to 22 and C is equal to 120. So by subtraction we'll be getting 132 into this is 10, 132 minus 22 is 110, then 132 minus 120 is 12. So let us split the prime factor. For 132 it is 11 into 12. For 10 let it remain as it is. For 110 it is splitted into 10 into 11 and let this 12 remain as it is. Now let us consider there are two tens. One 10 is over here, the other 10 is over here. So instead of two tens we can take one 10 out from the square root. And there are two 11s. So one 11 can be taken out. There are two 12s. So one 12 is taken out. So by multiplication we will be getting area of the triangle is 1320 meters square. Now we have to find out area for, that is the rent for 3 months. So per year 5000 divided by 12, because for 1 year 12 months, into for 3 months only we have to calculate. So 3 into the given area 1320. So 5000 into 330 is equal to 16,15,000 rupees. So this is the rent has to be paid for 3 months. Question number 3, there is a triangle is given over here. Okay. So A is 15 meter and B is 11 meter and C is 6 meters. Now we need to paint this area. So we have to find out area to be painted. First let us find out S. S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. We will be getting S is equal to 16 meters. By using Heron's formula, area of triangle, square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So let us replace the values. S as 16 and A as 15, B as 11 and C as 6. So by subtraction we will be getting 16 into 1 into 5 into 10. So for 16 let us split into 4 into 4. 5 let it remain as it is. And for 10 we can write this as 2 into 5. Now let us take, instead of 2 4s, 1 4 can be taken out. Instead of 2 5s, 1 5 can be taken out from the square root. So 2 is unpaired, so that will remain inside the square root itself. Therefore 4 into 5 will be 20 square root to 2 meter square. This is the area to be painted. Question number 4, it is given that A is equal to 18 centimeter and B is equal to 10 centimeter and the perimeter is equal to 42 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of triangle, that is A, capital A we have to find out, that is area. Now it is given that the perimeter is 42. So perimeter means the sum of all the three sides in a triangle, that is A plus B plus C is equal to 42. So A is 18, B is 10, C is unknown. So when we add this is 18 plus 10 is 28 plus C is equal to 42. So C is equal to 42 minus 28, that is C is equal to 14 centimeter. Now S, that is S is equal to perimeter divided by 2, that is A plus B plus C divided by 2. So A is 18, B is 10 and C is 14 divided by 2. By addition you will be getting 42 by 2. As a result you will be getting 21. So S is equal to 21. Now let us apply in Heron's formula. That is area of triangle is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So 21 into 21 minus 18 into 21 minus 10 into 21 minus 14. So by subtraction we will be getting 21 into 3 into this is 11 into this is 7. So this 21 can be splitted as a 7 into 3. Let the 3 remain as it is, 11 also and 7 also. Now there are two 7s, so one 7 can be taken out. There are two 3s, one 3 can be taken out. Now this 11 is unpaired, so let it remain inside the square root itself. So this is area to be painted is 21 square root of 11 centimeter square. Question number 5. The ratio is given as 12 is to 17 is to 25, which means let us consider A is equal to 12x and B is equal to 17x and C is equal to 25x. and also it is given that the perimeter is 540 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of a triangle. Now since perimeter is 540, so S is equal to perimeter divided by 2, which means 540 divided by 2, we will be getting S is equal to 270. And also let us consider the perimeter is 540 once again. Okay. First, by applying, we will be getting S value. Again, let us apply the perimeter is equal to 540. That is A plus B plus C is equal to 540. Which means A is equal to 12x, B is equal to 17x, and C is equal to 25x is equal to 540. So by adding everything, we will be getting 54x is equal to 540. Therefore, x is equal to 540 divided by 54. By cancellation, we will be getting x is equal to 10. Now let us find out A, B, C's value. So A is equal to 12x means 12 into x is 10. So 12 into 10, that is 120. And B is equal to 17x, that is 17 into 10 is equal to 170. And C is equal to 25x, that is 25 into 10 is equal to 250. So these are the values of A, B, C, and also we found the value of S. Now let us substitute the area of a triangle by using the Heron's formula. Square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So S is 270, A is 120, and B is 170, and C is 250. Okay. So by simplification, we'll be getting 270 into 150 into 100 into 20. This 270 can be split as 10 into 27. This 150 can be split as 10 into 15, and 100 can be split as 10 into 10, and 20 can be split as 10 into 2. So now let us group the terms. There are these two tens. Instead of these two tens, 110 can be taken out. And instead of these two tens, 110 can be taken out. Now the remaining is 27, 15, then this 10 and 2. Now this 27 can be split as 3 into 3 into 3. 15 can be split as 3 into 5, and 10 can be split as 2 into 5, and 2 can remain as it is. Now instead of first these two 3's, we can take 1 3 out. Instead of these two 3's, 1 3 can be taken out. Now there are 2 5's, 1 5 can be taken out, and similarly there are 2 2's, so 1 2 can be taken out. So by multiplication, we will be getting the area is equal to 9000 centimeter square. Question number 6. It is given that the perimeter of isosceles triangle is 30 centimeter. So the property of isosceles triangle is any two sides should be equal. The third side need not be equal. Okay. So and also it is given that two equal sides are 12 centimeter, which means let us consider A is equal to 12 centimeter and B is equal to 12 centimeter. Now we have to find out the area of a triangle. It's like the previous sum. First let us consider the perimeter is 30 centimeter, which means A plus B plus C is equal to 30. So A is 12, B is 12, plus C we have to find out. So this is C is equal to 30 minus 24. We will be getting C is equal to 6. And now we have to find out S. S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. That is perimeter by 2. So we will be getting S is equal to 15 centimeter. Now by applying in Heron's formula, that is area of a triangle is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So let us replace S is equal to 15, A is equal to 12, and B is equal to 12, and C is equal to 6. So this is 15 into 3 into 3 into 9. So let us split the terms. That is, instead of these two 3's, we can take 1 3 out. And for 9, let us write 3 into 3. So instead of these two 3's, 1 3 can be taken out from the square root. So 15 is unpaired. Okay. So 3 3's are 9. So 9 root 15 is the area of the triangle.